7 on the Nissan. Taking 41 exit.
Taking 1 exit.
Local detectives were conducting a covert surveillance operation on a stolen sedan with temporary license plates. When the sedan was spotted, they immediately called for assistance from highway patrol officers.
TBI, TBI, TBI. TBI.
You're right, TBI.
10-4.
One's been TBI, one's been TBI. I'm trying to hit up the...
Be advised that challenges is also following you guys.
Reinforcements arrived immediately at the scene to carry out an operation to apprehend the suspect, who was uninjured, complied with verbal orders, and surrendered. An inspection of the vehicle at the scene confirmed that the sedan had been stolen and was being driven with fake license plates. The suspect was taken to the county jail and charged with serious offenses, including fleeing the scene of a crime that posed a real threat to life, trafficking in stolen property, using fake license plates, reckless driving, and first-degree criminal property damage. A state trooper patrolling a regional highway spotted a dark pickup truck traveling at 75 miles per hour in a 55 mile per hour zone. Just as the trooper turned on the patrol car siren, the driver slammed on the gas pedal in an attempt to flee.
Roll over. Let me see your hands right now! Put your hands up! Is anybody else in the vehicle with you? Step out of the vehicle!
My body, man. Help me.
Step out of the vehicle.
I got my hands up. I don't know. I just told you.
Get on the ground right now.
Okay. There's something in my pocket.
What is, don't touch it.
I'm not touching it. My hands are up. Look.
Get on the ground.
Hey,
right now.
Okay. Don't shoot me.
I'm not going to shoot you.
Please don't shoot me.
Get on the ground.
Dude, I'm telling you, stay with my body, man.
Get on the ground.
God help me, Father, right there. Please. I'm sorry. I didn't do anything. Stay. Amen. God help me.
You got anything? What do you got?
I don't know.
During an inspection of the wrecked car interior, a firearm was discovered wedged tightly between the driver's seat and the center console. In a strange turn of events following the incident, when the registered owner finally retrieved the wrecked car several days later, he discovered a locked box hidden inside. Upon opening it, he found a supply of crystal methamphetamine and a syringe inside. However, the local prosecutor's office officially declined to file drug-related charges. Following a medical examination that confirmed minor injuries, the suspect was placed in the county jail on serious charges, included aggravated assault, fleeing the scene of a crime that posed a real threat to life, first-degree criminal mischief, and reckless driving. A state patrol officer received an urgent report that the local sheriff was in pursuit of a black sports car heading straight into his sector. The officer positioned his patrol car strategically on the side of the highway, waiting to intercept the vehicle. As it approached the officer's location, the reckless driver suddenly swerved into the center turning lane to pass a slower-moving civilian vehicle. During the chase, the suspect accelerated the sports car to speeds well over 100 miles per hour, recklessly passed an innocent motorist on the shoulder and weaving across the center turn lane. The sports coupe departed the roadway and collided heavily with a metal highway sign structure. The uninjured operator surrendered to law enforcement without further physical resistance. Subsequent investigation indicated the driver was operating the vehicle under the influence of intoxicants. He was remanded to the local detention facility and formally charged with felony fleeing, driving while intoxicated, refusal to submit to chemical testing, and reckless driving.
State's on the interstate, fixing to come up to here. Yeah, we're coming up to MPH, there's Station 3. Coming up to MPH. Continuing eastbound.
During a midnight patrol, municipal police units engaged a white Chevrolet sedan operating without illuminated headlights. A state trooper assumed the primary pursuit position as the suspect vehicle transitioned into a federal interstate, rapidly accelerating to speeds reaching 140 miles per hour in an attempt to evade law enforcement under the cover of darkness.
Behind me, the one at the brake lights in front of me is coming up to MLK. I lost on the interstate. For eastbound on 40, coming up 286.
TBI.
Come on, we'll see you.
Just past the curve, slow down.
The K9's gonna be on the ground. K9's gonna be on the ground. I'm almost there. Here, about the 285. 285.
Sitting in the back seat of the patrol car, the suspect began a strange conversation, complaining that his pants were slipping down and claiming that he had run away only because he had been smoking weed. However, a search of the wrecked Chevy revealed a legal, modified, fully automatic machine gun. The convicted felon was initially given a staggering $100,000 bail and charged with 10 counts. But a year later, the case took a surprising turn. Faced with overloaded court schedules and the difficult task of proving that the weapon belonged exclusively to the driver, prosecutors offered a very favorable plea deal. The state officially dropped the most serious charges, including violation of the Federal Machine Gun Act and the charge of felon in possession of a firearm. The suspect pled guilty solely to the felony of fleeing the scene, which posed a substantial risk of death. The judge sentenced him to 48 months of probation, meaning the suspect completely avoided actual prison time in exchange for 4 years of strict probation. I once again want to thank you for your time, and please have a great day.